If you're an entrepreneur and you're not incorporating B-roll to your footage, today I'm going to show you how you can do so even as a small creator and have your audience pressing that subscribe button faster than you can say action. One thing I've learned about building a personal brand is that people want to feel like they are friends with you. They want to feel like they know you. So here is my DIY approach. You can shoot by yourself. This tripod I got from Amazon for $37 has been a game changer. I can't wait to show you so much B-roll, and I usually put it at waist length, just above your hips on your waist. I like to put it up to there, and I'm able to shoot very nice content on landscape, portrait. So for long form and for short form video, it is perfect. It's only $37. I'm gonna link it below. Take your audience deeper without having to struggle for all the pieces of footage. Use stock footage that is free. So I use pexels.com and Splash, Canva, Capcut. All of them have free stock footage. All you have to do is add the descriptive words. You can definitely see how I use that with a coffee shop to just deepen that storytelling process. So one can see the coffee beans being made and being grinded. That is all just part of making the audience get in touch with the process. So you want to create smooth transitions. I've picked my coffee and now I'm coming to sit down. So everything is process after process. And what you want to do is not disjoint that video by throwing in too many gaps. So it's nice as much as possible to have those transitions be smooth from one action to the next action. And always remember, show, don't just tell, show it as well. When it comes to music, of course, it has to be royalty free or copyright free, which you can find on YouTube for free. However, if you want really amazing music like you hear in some of these vloggers videos, it costs money. You know, there are websites where you have to spend money for that. However, Capcut has made life easier for us. So I currently use Capcut and I haven't had any copyright strikes, any copyright issues with the music. So you can see how I select the genre of music I want: vlog, piano, relaxing, pop, quiet, chill. You know, there's so many moods of music they have, and for me, I think that suffices for someone who's just starting and you don't want a million places you have had to subscribe to. So consider Capcut. Now, one thing I will tell you is switching up your camera angles will definitely make it look more interesting. That was a wide shot. Now I'm doing a medium frame, which means I'm a little bit closer and you know, you can kind of see what I am actually doing. And then this is a tight shot where I'm showing you my fingers back to the medium shot, and that just really makes a person not feel bored and just keep engaging with the video. You know, keep doing different things. And this is what I've seen has worked for some of the vloggers that I watch, like Katie Steckley. Even being able to bring your camera above you, as you can see here, that is the tripod on the left. And I am also showing you I'm about to start working on my notebook. And then notice what I end up doing here is, as I flip a page, I then go back to a wide shot, you know. And why I'm doing that is to actually show you how now I'm actually writing my notes, and this is how I'm planning my process. And then you can actually see those notes there. So what that does is that it really just enhances the credibility. It makes you really look like an authority in your niche. Your brand's reputation is enhanced. People feel like they really know who you are, and that you are who you say you are, and that is in line with brand consistency, that you're actually behind the scenes working on yourself, as well as working on, whatever services or products or programs you have for your clients. People can see really and truly who you are is who you say you are. Entrepreneurs, I hope that has helped you build magnetic brands that sell really well in front of your audience on social media. If you enjoyed this content, please don't forget to leave without subscribing and liking kindly. Comment as well would be great. I have another video here you don't want to miss about the tools that I use to run my business that could possibly help you as well. Until the next one, see you then. Bye.